If you love Netflix and want to get paid for it, there are a few options available to you. With a little effort, you can start earning extra cash by doing something you enjoy. So keep on watching, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make an extra $100 a day just by watching Netflix. Welcome to the Peak Performance Channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. If you love watching Netflix, why not get paid for it? It may sound too good to be true, but there are actually companies out there that will pay you to watch your favourite shows. So how does it work? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today, and best of all, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. There are a few different ways that you can go about earning money by watching Netflix. So let's take a look at some of those options. First of all, Netflix is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of TV shows, movies and documentaries. It's become one of the most popular ways to watch entertainment, with over 150 million subscribers worldwide. Netflix itself originally started out as a DVD rental service, but has since evolved into much more. It now produces its own exclusive content which can only be watched on Netflix, and this has made it a go-to destination for many viewers who are looking for something new to watch. There are a few different ways that you can go about earning money by watching Netflix, so let's take a look at some of the options. So to start earning money in this app, search Netflix Jobs on Google. And once the Netflix Jobs website pops up, there'll be a bunch of information present, but you can ignore all of it except for the part that says Search Jobs and Keywords. If you see the search bar, type Tagger, Tagger, into it to find the keyword. Okay, have you searched for Tagger on the search bar? If you have, you should know that this is a limited opportunity. The jobs that are available will depend on when you search. If you search now, you'll have different results than if you searched yesterday. This means that there are different job openings available depending on when you search. So if you see a job opening and it's still open, make sure to apply right away. You may be wondering what exactly a tagger does. Well, a tagger's job is to watch programs and label them with keywords so that viewers can more easily find similar content on Netflix. For example, if you were to watch the show Extraordinary Attorney Woo, you might tag it as drama or another relevant category. This would help categorize the type of shows potential viewers are looking for. And as a tagger for Netflix, you would be responsible for watching content and adding tags that provide information about the plot, the genre and other relevant details. It's a process that helps Netflix determine which shows and movies are appropriate for each individual viewer. Tagging is an important part of Netflix operations, and it offers a great opportunity for those who want to work from home and get paid to watch TV. The position is very flexible and you can set your own hours. But you will need to have strong attention to detail and good organisational skills. Tagger pays $100 a day and there's no experience required. Users can work as much or as little as they want and they'll be paid through PayPal. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, Tagger is a great option. But what type of jobs did you see on Netflix job website? For instance, did you notice anything new? This section of the site displays a variety of employment opportunities from all over the world. As for me, well, when I looked, I discovered the job of Editorial Insight Strategist, Korea. What do you think? Is this newsworthy? Have you ever heard of anything like it before? Well, if you're interested in becoming a Netflix tagger, definitely check the Netflix Jobs website for available positions. And if you're skeptical about whether or not this is an actual job, just search "What is Netflix Tagger" on Google and see for yourself, and you'll find out that this is an actual job that people do. Another way to make money through Netflix is by participating in focus groups. These groups help businesses and marketing firms better understand how people react to certain content. For example, a company might want to know how people react to a new trailer for an upcoming movie. To do this, they'll bring in a group of people and have them watch the trailer. Afterward, they'll ask them questions about what they thought of it. And you can participate in these focus groups either in person or online, and you can earn very good money doing so. Well, congratulations on getting the Netflix tagger job. We would like to celebrate your win with you. Watching Netflix and getting paid is the dream job. What was your dream job when you were a kid? Let us know in the comment section below where you are on your journey to achieving your dream job. We love hearing from you. Here's a quick reminder before we continue, make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so. That means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel as well. Now, let's get back to the video. So do you like watching movies and TV shows on Netflix, or are you more of an app tester? Choose one. You may earn money in two ways in today's video. We have one more application to show you today. It's called Userlytics. Have you heard of it before? Well, if you haven't, then this is your lucky day, because Userlytics will pay you to test websites and apps. There are many ways to make money online, and Userlytics is one of them. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to get started. Just open your browser and navigate to the website. Is your web browser open? If so, visit userlytics.com. When you visit userlytics.com, you'll discover a variety of options and information about the site. The website will also have the term Easy User Experience Testing. Is that what you've got when you entered userlytics.com into your browser? If you found this page, well, you've come to the right place. And this page has plenty of information. about the website, so please feel free to browse down and have a look around. After you've finished exploring, you must register to earn money by completing a quick and simple form. To access the sign-up page, click the Tester Sign Up button in the upper right corner of your screen. Do you notice that button? If you do, that's fantastic. We can now proceed. You only need to express yourself and answer a few questions, which are exciting. So don't you want to get compensated for voicing your opinion? Simple and straightforward. And you could earn $5, $10, $20 for each project via PayPal just by providing honest comments. You only need to follow the instructions. And this site is accessible from anywhere around the globe. Take advantage of this fantastic opportunity while it lasts. You may use desktop computers, mobile devices with the Android or iPhone app, and your phone's built-in microphone. So to get started, look for the app on Google Play or the Apple App Store. And if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, why not give it a try? You might just find that you're perfect for the job. Now, all of this information is just a few scrolls down on the register page, so don't lose out on the opportunity to earn money online simply by testing. Well, that takes us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. To create is effort, to copy is genius, Albert Einstein. And if you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.